Okay, so far we have covered 8 classes, around 90 questions. So for this class, it was delayed a little bit. I apologize for that because I was a little bit busy. After a week, I'm going to upload classes regularly. So I'll become free by that time. So coming to the question, a batsman in his 17th innings makes a score of 85 and thereby increases his average. What is his average after 17 innings? Okay. See, 16 innings he played already, and in 17th innings he scored 85. So till 16th innings, if I can assume the average as X or K or whatever. So okay, so then till 16th innings, his total will become 16K because average into number of matches is played. So 16K was the total score till 16 innings. Now what happened? He scored 85 more in the 17 innings. So now this is the score which he got till 17 innings. This can be equated to 17 into K plus 3. Okay, K is the average before, and now the average increases his average by 3. So now average increases by 3. So now then it can be K plus 3. K plus 3 into 17 is same as 16K plus 85 because 16K was the total score till 16 matches. In the 17th match he scored 85. So I added it to this to get the total score after 17 innings. So this is for total score after 17 innings. So now this can be same as the average after 17 innings, that is K plus 3 into 17 will give you the total score. So this you can equate both of them because average is increased by 3 here, right? So now 17K minus 16K, if I multiply, that K will be there. So now 85 minus 51, 85 minus 51, 17 3s are 51. So it is nothing but this will be equal to 34. 75 minus 85 minus 51 is 34. So now the average we got as a 34 till 17 matches, 16 matches. Now the average is increased by 3. So 34 plus 3 will be the 37. So what is the average after 17 innings means? Option D. Okay, find the average of first 81 natural numbers. So there are 81 natural numbers, first natural numbers. You need to find it their average. So can you do it in the normal procedure by adding all the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that? If you add and then divide with the total number, that is 81 plus, so it will become more complicated. There is a formula for us. Okay, what is the formula to find the sum of n natural numbers? N into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2 is the sum of natural numbers. Sum of natural numbers. So once you find the sum, if you divide it with the number, total number of numbers, then you will get the average for that n natural numbers. So here in place of n he gave as 81. So now you can do like this. So if you want to find the average, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 divided by n. So now this n and this n gets cancelled, then n, it will become n plus 1 by 2. So this is the formula to find average of first n natural numbers. I told this in the previous classes. So direct formula is n plus 1 by 2. So here 81 plus 1 divided by 2. 82 by 2 is nothing but 41. So 41 is option B. Next question. A car travels from Vijayawada to See, a car travels from Vijayawada to Kochi at 30 kilometers per hour and returns at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour. So going with the speed of 30 kmph and coming back with the speed of 40 kmph, find the average speed of the whole journey. See, I told you the formula. If the distances are equal, okay, so here distances are equal. Why? Because you went from Vijayawada to Kochi, again from Kochi to Vijayawada. So the distance is same. If 1600 kilometers is the distance for two and for fro, it will be the same. So from obviously it is from Vijayawada to Kochi. If it is 1600, then from Kochi to Vijayawada will be 1600 only. So if he is going by road the same way, then this is the here we can treat the distance as same. In these cases, I told you the shortcut, the formula to find the average is 2xy by x plus y. Here x is the speed with which he is going from here to here. Okay, x. So if he is coming with the speed of y from here to here, there are 2 points J and B. If he is going with the speed of x from A to B and y from B to A, then definitely you can use the formula 2xy by x plus y. But see, you should not use the same formula if the distances are not equal. So suppose 300 kilometers you went with the speed of x and 500 kilometers you went with the speed of y, then you cannot use this formula 2xy by x plus y to find the average speed. Why? Because the distances are different. Okay. So now in this case, I have proved also this one how to use. So here 2 into 30 into 40 divided by 30 plus 40. So this is nothing but so 2 into don't cancel it right now because I'll do this simplified and do. So now it will be okay, you will get it in points. So 120 to 40 by 7 to 40 by 7 and 20 so 34 2 by 7, or else you can so 34.28 or else 34 2 by 7, you can write it anyway. So depending on the options you have to choose. Okay. See, if you want, I'll prove it here again. See, what is the formula we use? Distance is equals to velocity into time or speed into time. Okay, speed into time. So use this formula. Okay. So by using that formula, I'll tell you the distance is k, and if he is going with the speed of x from here to here and coming back with the speed of y from there to there, so distance is same. Okay, what is the formula for average speed? Total distance is 2k divided by total time. So if I assume time t1 with the speed of x and time t2 with the speed of y, so then t1 is equal to distance by velocity. Distance by velocity is nothing but k by x. So k by x is first time plus k by y is second time. So if you simplify, if you take k common here, 2k by k, if you take k common here, 1 by x plus 1 by y will remain. So k gets cancelled. If you simplify, this will become 2xy by x plus y. So that is how you got this formula. Okay, if there are three equal distances and three different speeds, then you can use the formula 3xyz by xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, so that also I told you. Now coming to the next question. A person divides his whole journey into three equal distances. See here, three equal distances. If the distances are not equal, you cannot use the formula which I am going to tell you now. So equal distances and covers them with 20 kmph, 30 kmph and 40 kmph. Find his average speed for the whole journey. Okay, find his average speed for the whole journey. For this, there is a formula, that is 3xyz divided by xy plus yz plus zx. So if we use that, 3 into 20 into 30 into 40 divided by 20 into 30 plus 30 into 40 plus 40 into 20. Okay, so this is the formula you have to use. The equal distances are given at 3 different speeds. So for this, I'm not cancelling it right away, so because I'll do it after summing up the bottom portion. So now see here, 600 plus 1200 plus 800. So 1200 plus 800 is 2000, 2600. 2600 is the value we got at the bottom. So 2600, you write it in the spot. So these two get cancelled, and 2 2s are 2 13s. So 6 and 120, 123 is a 360 by 13. 13 5 is a 78. So now we see 13 13 sevens are 91. So 27 9 by 13. 27 9 by 13 is the answer. You can do it in the points also if you want. So 27 9 by 13 is the answer. So if you want to find it in points, 27, put 27 point, then it will become 90. So 13 sevens are 91, right? So 13 6 are 78. Then 12 will be there, 120, 8 9. So approximately 69, 27.69 you will get. Okay, right, that's it. See now one more question. In a group the average of, so in a group of 11 results, the average of 11 results is 30. That of the first 5 is 25, and that of the last 5 is 28. Find the value of the 6 numbers. It's a very easy question. There are 11, first 5, last 5, and the 6th number here. Okay, so he is asking the value of the 6th digit. So see, average into the total number of numbers will give you the total. So for 11 numbers, see, for these 11 total numbers, he gave the average as, average of 11 results is 30. So 30 into 11 will give you the total value from here to here. And average of first 5 is given as 25. So 5 into 25 will give you sum of these numbers. Okay, minus 5 into 25 minus 5 into 28 will give you 6th number, because I am finding the total number, sum of all the numbers. Then I am removing this value and this value. Then it will give you the middle value, that is 6 numbers. So that is nothing but 30 into 11 minus 5 into 25 minus 5 into 28. So this would be coming up as a 6th number, not 6th number. So 125 minus, see, 25 5s are 125. So there is 3 extra, 3 5s are 15. So 140. Okay, that is you have to do. 330. 330 minus 125 minus 140. So 265. So 35, 65. 65 is the answer. Okay. 35. Okay, 65 is the answer. See the next question. The average of 11 results is 50. If the average of first 6 results is 49 and that of the last 6 results is 52, find the sixth result. See, this is also just for practice I am doing these things. See, 11 results are there. 6, first 6, and if 6 is completed here, there should be 5. Last 6 means, see, there is a common value. 6th is coming as a common. So, year 5, and this is the 6th. So, first 6 means till here. Last 6 means till here. Now, if I add first 6 numbers as a sum and last 6 as a sum, 2 times 6th number is included, okay? Right? If I add this one and this one, then 2 times 6th is included. Then I will subtract all the values, all the 11 results from the sum of these two. First I will add first 6 numbers sum. Why? Because he has given their average. Then last 6, because he gave the average by using them. I'll find their sum. Then I'll subtract the total 11 number value. Then what I would be getting? So now I am going to do sum of first 6. First 6 is 49 into 6. That is, so if 50 into 6 is there, then 300 minus 6, 294. Next, 52 into 6, 312. So you add these two, 610, 606. So from this, you subtract the sum of all the 11 numbers. How can you do that? Average into total numbers. So 50 into 11. So 550. So now 6, 10 minus 5 is 5. So 56 is nothing but sixth value. Okay, because I calculated all the 11 numbers. So when I calculate first 6 already came, and last 6 came twice. So the twice number is nothing but 56. This is how we calculated this type of things. See, the average age of family of 6 members is 22 years. If the age of the youngest member be 7 years, then what was the average age of the family at the birth of the youngest member? Okay. So now how many members are there? There are 6 people. There are 6 people. Among them, there is youngest small person. The age of the youngest member be 7 years. Now he is having 7 years. When he is having 7 years, their average is nothing but 22. So what is the total age, including all the 6 members? This is nothing but 6 into 22. So total age of all now is nothing but 6 into 22. So it is 120, 132. Okay. Now this is all the members. Now what happened when the small kid, when the youngest person was born? So just now he born, when his age is 0 years. What was the average age for these people? He's asking. So you have to add their age divided by 5. Will give you the average. But you know their sum. Current sum is 132. 7 years passed, right? From here to here, 7 years passed. 7 years passed. One second. Sorry. So from here to here, 7 years passed. So in these 7 years, all six members' age increased by 7 years. So it means 7 into 6 is added. So 42 years added. So it means if you can subtract 42 from 132, you will get the age of all the 5 members included. So divided by 5 will give you 18. So this is the average of those 5 members when that youngest child born. The average, see in a class there are 20 boys whose average is decreased by 2 months. Average age is decreased by 2 months. When one boy aged 18 years replaced by a new boy. Find the age of new boy. See, there was some average when there were 20 boys. And among those 20 boys, one boy left, another boy entered. So the number of boys is not changing, it is 20 only. Before and after it is 20 only. But when the new boy came, average is decreased. When average decrease, when the person having some age left, when a new person having lesser than the person who left, having age which is lesser than the person who left. Suppose one person is having 30 years of age and he left. So if another person comes who is having more than 30 years, then average won't be decreased, it will be increased. When a person who is having less than 30, suppose if a person having 25 years age and replaced the person who is having 30 years age, then obviously the average will be decreased. So here he is saying it is decreased. So it is decreased means the person who is having 18 years of age left, there is another person who entered who is having lesser than 18 years to make the average decrease by 2 months. Okay, it means to find out the age of the new person, you need to subtract this 18 years from decreased average into total number. And how many members it is decreasing? It is decreasing on because average is decreasing. So it should be affecting all the 20 members. So all the 20 members into this 2 months of decrement. If I count that and subtract it from 18 years, then I will get the new boy's age. That is nothing but 18 minus 20 into, I cannot count months into years, right? So to make that, I'll divide with 12 because per year 12 months are there. I'm converting 2 months into years. See, if for a year, 1 year, 12 months. For 1 year, 12 months. For 2 months, how many years? Okay, 2 by 12 years. So for 2 months are nothing but 2 by 12 years, both are same. So I'm just subtracting it. So to get that, 2 ones are 2 six are 2 threes are 2 tens are. So 44 by 3. So it is 14 2 by 3 years. 14 2 by 3 years.